Life is all about taking control. We often feel that the world is out of our hands, that we are victims of circumstances, and that success is something that happens to a select few. But let me tell you, success is not a matter of luck, it's a matter of mindset. Success begins in the mind, and once you understand the power of your thoughts, you can shape your destiny. Imagine your mind as a garden. What you plant in it grows. If you plant positive thoughts, you'll grow a life filled with success. But if you let negativity take root, you'll see only frustration and failure. The secret to controlling your mind is to consciously choose what you allow to enter it. And more importantly, what you keep in it. You can brainwash yourself for success, but first, you need to know how to clean up the clutter that's limiting you. The first step is awareness. Be aware of your thoughts and actions. Every thought you have creates a vibration, a ripple in the universe. If you focus on success, positivity, and growth, you are creating energy that will come back to you. Your mind is your most powerful tool, but like any tool, it must be properly maintained and used with purpose. The second step is to take massive action. The universe rewards those who work, who act on their beliefs and desires. But it's not just about doing work, it's about working with intention. Every decision, every move should come from a place of belief that you are moving closer to your goals. Success doesn't come from external validation. It comes from believing in yourself even when no one else does. It comes from knowing that you are enough, that your potential is limitless. Here's the thing, brainwashing yourself isn't about being fake or pretending. It's about reprogramming your mind for success. It's about taking the negative thoughts and turning them into opportunities. Every setback, every challenge, every roadblock, these are just lessons. Embrace them, learn from them, and move forward with even more confidence. If you want to control your mind and brainwash yourself for success, you have to be relentless. You have to stay focused on your vision, even when things aren't going the way you want them to. And most importantly, you need to trust the process. Trust that every step you take is leading you toward your ultimate goal. So let me ask you, are you ready to take control of your mind? Are you ready to brainwash yourself for success? Because the journey starts right here, right now. Success is not something that happens by chance. It begins with the way you think. Your mindset is the very foundation of success. The way you perceive the world, the way you approach challenges, the way you believe in your potential, it all starts in the mind. Every successful person you admire has one thing in common. They have learned to control their thoughts and focus on positive growth. The mind is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it can either work for you or against you. When you let negativity dominate your thoughts, it can hold you back. Negative thoughts create barriers, doubts, and fears that limit your progress. But when you focus on positive growth, your mind becomes your greatest ally. Positive thinking doesn't mean ignoring the reality of challenges. It means seeing obstacles as opportunities to learn, grow, and improve. It means approaching life with a mindset of abundance instead of scarcity. Success begins the moment you take control of your thoughts. It's not about hoping for good things to happen to you. It's about believing that you are capable of making good things happen for yourself. When you focus on growth, you start seeing opportunities where others see problems. You begin to recognize that every experience, good or bad, is a lesson that leads you closer to your goals. The key is to consciously choose what you allow into your mind. You can train your mind to focus on possibilities instead of limitations. This is where real transformation happens. When you change the way you think, you change the way you live. The foundation of success is built on the belief that your thoughts create your reality. What you think about, you bring about. If you constantly think about success, abundance, and positive growth, you begin to align your actions with those beliefs. Your mindset shapes your actions, and your actions shape your life. So remember, success isn't something that just happens to you. It begins with controlling your thoughts and focusing on positive growth. And it starts with the decision to change your mindset today. Your mind is like a garden. What you plant in it, whether positive or negative, will grow and shape your future. Just like a garden, your mind needs constant attention and care. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, those thoughts will take root and begin to grow. They will create a garden of limitations, holding you back from reaching your true potential. But if you choose to plant seeds of positivity, hope, and belief, you create a fertile ground for success and growth. The more you nourish those positive thoughts, the more they will flourish, shaping a future full of possibilities. What you focus on is what you cultivate. Every thought you think is like a seed being planted. The mind doesn't discriminate between positive and negative thoughts. It will nurture whatever you give it, So it's up to you to decide what you want to grow in your garden. If you constantly think about your fears, your doubts, and the things that can go wrong, you're planting seeds that will keep you stuck. But if you focus on your dreams, your goals, and the possibilities that lie ahead, you're planting seeds of success. The power lies in your ability to choose which seeds to plant. Your thoughts shape the environment of your mind. Just like in a garden, some seeds will take time to grow, but if you nurture them consistently, they will eventually bear fruit. In the same way, positive thoughts may take time to manifest results, but their impact will be long-lasting. On the other hand, negative thoughts grow quickly, and their effects can be immediate, but they don't last. It's up to you to decide what kind of garden you want to create in your mind. Do you want a garden full of beautiful flowers or one filled with weeds? The choice is yours. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. What you plant in it today will shape your tomorrow. So be mindful of what you allow to take root in your thoughts, because whatever you plant in your mind will grow and shape your future. Awareness of your thoughts is the first step toward transforming your life. Your thoughts are powerful. They shape your reality and they influence every action you take. If you aren't aware of the thoughts you entertain, you may be unknowingly creating a reality that doesn't serve you. The mind is constantly active, generating thoughts, both conscious and unconscious, but not every thought deserves your attention. Many of the thoughts that come to your mind are fleeting, and some are even negative. But the key to transforming your life is learning to be aware of the thoughts that you allow to occupy your mind. What you think about repeatedly becomes your reality. If you spend your time thinking about your limitations, your fears, or the obstacles in your way, you are unconsciously focusing on the very things that hold you back. On the other hand, if you consciously choose to focus on possibilities, opportunities, and solutions, you are paving the way for positive change in your life. Your thoughts are the blueprint for your actions. What you think about shapes how you behave, how you react to situations, and even how you feel. When you entertain negative thoughts, your actions will be influenced by fear, doubt, and insecurity. But when you consciously choose positive thoughts, your actions will align with confidence, courage, and belief in your potential. The power lies in being present with your thoughts. When you become aware of your thoughts, you gain the ability to choose which ones you want to hold on to and which ones you want to let go of. You can change your reality by changing your thoughts. Every moment is an opportunity to redirect your thinking toward what serves you. Instead of allowing random thoughts to dictate your life, take control of your mind and decide what you want to focus on. If you believe in your success, you will begin to see the opportunities that were always there but hidden behind your limiting beliefs. What you think about consistently, you bring into existence. So pay attention to your thoughts. Be conscious of what you entertain, because what you think becomes your reality. The power of reprogramming your mind is one of the most important tools you can use to create success in your life. Your mind is not set in stone. It is flexible, adaptable, and can be transformed. To brainwash yourself for success, you first need to acknowledge that your current beliefs might not be serving you. Many of us carry limiting beliefs, thoughts, and ideas that hold us back from achieving our true potential. These beliefs are formed over time, often through experiences or influences from others, and they shape the way we see ourselves and the world around us. But the truth is, these beliefs are not facts. They are just thoughts that have become deeply ingrained in your mind. To create lasting change, you must eliminate these limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering thoughts. The process of reprogramming your mind starts with awareness. You need to identify the beliefs that are holding you back. Do you believe you are not good enough? Do you think success is reserved for a select few? Do you fear failure so much that it stops you from taking action? These are just beliefs, not truths. Once you become aware of them, you can start to challenge them. Ask yourself, is this belief serving me or is it keeping me stuck? The next step is to replace those limiting beliefs with new, empowering ones. For every negative thought you have, find a positive counter thought. For example, if you think, I can't do this, replace it with, I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. If you think, I'm not worthy of success, replace it with, I am deserving of all the success and abundance that comes my way. It's about changing the narrative in your mind. To reprogram your mind, you need to repeat these new, empowering beliefs over and over until they become your truth. Affirmations, visualization, and meditation are powerful tools that can help in this process. By consistently focusing on positive, empowering thoughts, you begin to reshape your reality. Your mind will start to believe these new thoughts, and as a result, your actions will align with them. Remember, your mind is malleable. When you reprogram it for success, you will start to see a shift in your reality. Eliminate the limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering thoughts, and watch how your life begins to transform. Success is not just about working hard. It's about working with purpose, with intention, and aligning every action you take with your goals. Hard work is important, yes, but if your efforts aren't focused and aligned with what you truly want, they can easily become wasted energy. The key to achieving anything in life is taking massive action, but that action must be intentional. When you take action with intention, you are moving toward your goals with clarity and purpose. You are not just working for the sake of working. You are making every decision, every step you take, an intentional part of your journey towards success. The difference between hard work and purposeful action is direction. Hard work can be aimless, going in circles without achieving any meaningful results. Purposeful action, on the other hand, is always aligned with your vision, your goals, and your values. It's not enough to work hard, you need to work smart. Every action you take should bring you closer to your desired outcome. When you set clear, intentional goals, each step becomes a part of a greater plan. Purposeful action means being mindful of where you are putting your energy and time. It's about making choices that will move you forward, not keep you stagnant. The most successful people don't just work long hours or put in the effort for the sake of it. They put in the effort with a clear sense of direction. They know what they want, and every move they make is designed to get them closer to that goal. When you take action with intention, you don't waste time on things that don't serve your purpose. You make decisions that align with your vision and bring you closer to your success. Purposeful action doesn't always mean quick results. Sometimes it takes time for your efforts to bear fruit. But the key is that you are always moving in the right direction, always progressing toward your goals. Hard work is a given, but the real magic happens when that work is infused with intention. Take massive action with intention and watch how the universe responds to your focused energy. Success is not a matter of chance. It's a matter of purposeful, aligned action. Self-belief is one of the most powerful forces you can tap into when it comes to achieving success. True success doesn't come from waiting for others to validate your worth or your potential. It comes from trusting yourself, your abilities, and your vision. When you believe in yourself, you unlock a level of confidence and determination that can carry you through any challenge. Self-belief is the foundation upon which everything else is built. If you don't trust yourself, how can you expect others to believe in you? External validation is temporary. People's opinions can change from one moment to the next, and relying on them for your self-worth can leave you constantly seeking approval. But when you develop self-belief, you create an unshakable confidence that comes from within. You stop needing validation from others because you already know your worth. When you trust your potential, you act with conviction and clarity. You make decisions based on your own inner guidance, not based on what others think is possible for you. This self-belief fuels your resilience, giving you the strength to keep going even when things get tough. It empowers you to take risks and make bold moves, knowing that even if you fail, you learn and grow from the experience. Self-belief is not arrogance. It's knowing your value and your capabilities without needing anyone else to confirm them. It's the quiet confidence that allows you to pursue your goals with unwavering focus. When you believe in yourself, the world starts to respond differently. You begin to attract opportunities because people can sense your confidence and trust in your abilities. You begin to take actions that align with your dreams, and those actions compound over time, bringing you closer to success. Remember, success doesn't come from waiting for the world to approve of you. It comes from stepping into your own power, owning your worth, and trusting that you have everything within you to create the life you desire. True success is rooted in self-belief. Trust your potential, and the world will open up to you in ways you never imagined. Challenges are not something to fear. In fact, they are opportunities in disguise. Every setback you face is a lesson, a chance to learn and grow. The road to success is not a straight line. It's filled with twists, turns, and obstacles. But each challenge is a stepping stone that can take you closer to your goals if you embrace it with the right mindset. It's easy to feel defeated when things don't go as planned. When things fall apart or when you face failure, it's natural to feel discouraged. But the truth is, setbacks are not signs of defeat. They are signs that you're moving forward, trying and pushing your boundaries. Each challenge has something valuable to teach you. It might not be obvious at first, but if you look closely, there's always a lesson to be learned. Maybe the lesson is about patience, resilience, or the importance of persistence. Maybe it's about learning how to adapt, how to pivot when things aren't going the way you expected. Whatever the lesson is, embracing challenges with an open mind is what helps you grow. You cannot become successful without encountering difficulties. The most successful people in the world have faced more challenges than most. What sets them apart is their ability to embrace those challenges, learn from them, and keep moving forward. Every setback can teach you something new about yourself. It can show you your strengths, your weaknesses, and what areas you need to improve on. Instead of running away from challenges or viewing them as obstacles, see them as opportunities to become stronger, wiser, and more capable. When you embrace challenges, you stop seeing them as problems and start seeing them as stepping stones to your success. You stop allowing them to hold you back, and instead, you use them as fuel to propel you forward. The key to overcoming challenges is not in avoiding them, but in accepting them, learning from them, and using them to your advantage. Remember, success is not about avoiding difficulties, it's about how you respond to them. Embrace the challenges, learn the lessons they offer, and use them to build the path to your dreams. Success requires one key ingredient: relentless focus. You can have the best ideas, the most brilliant plans, but without focus, those dreams will remain just that. Dreams. Focus is the ability to stay connected to your vision, even when the world around you is pulling you in different directions. It's easy to get distracted. There are always new opportunities, new challenges, and sometimes even doubts that creep in. But to achieve your goals, you need to remain fixed on what you set out to do, no matter what happens along the way. Obstacles will arise, that's a given. Life is not a straight path, and the road to success is often filled with bumps, detours, and challenges. But these obstacles are not signs to stop, they are tests to see how committed you are to your vision. Relentless focus means you don't let those obstacles derail you. It means you stay centered on what matters most, no matter how tough the journey gets. When things get hard, your ability to focus is what keeps you going. It's the ability to keep moving forward even when the finish line seems far away. It's the determination to stay the course even when the world is telling you to quit. In those moments of doubt, your focus is what will remind you of your why. When you face challenges, your focus gives you the clarity to see that they are just temporary hurdles. They are not permanent barriers. Relentless focus also means saying no to distractions. In a world full of noise, it's easy to lose track of your goals. But staying focused means filtering out the irrelevant, the distractions, and staying committed to your purpose. Every decision, every action needs to align with your vision. Success demands that you have the discipline to stay on track, even when it's hard, even when it feels like progress is slow. The key to success isn't about speed or instant results. It's about keeping your focus on the bigger picture, knowing that every small step counts. Relentless focus is the force that drives you forward, keeping your eyes on your goals while you push through every obstacle. Trusting the process is one of the most important principles for achieving success. It's easy to lose faith when things don't go as planned, when obstacles appear, or when progress feels slow. But the truth is, every step you take, even the difficult ones, is moving you closer to your ultimate goal. The path to success is rarely a straight line. It's filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. Sometimes you might feel like you're not getting anywhere, or like things are falling apart. But in those moments, it's important to remember that the process is still working. Every challenge, every setback, and every roadblock is part of the journey. These are the moments that shape you, teach you valuable lessons, and prepare you for what's to come. Trusting the process means having faith that the struggles you face today are leading you to a better tomorrow. It means understanding that growth doesn't always happen overnight. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and a belief that each step is contributing to your bigger picture. When you trust the process, you stop focusing on immediate results and start embracing the journey itself. You understand that even the difficult moments have purpose. They are refining you, making you stronger, wiser, and more capable. If you give up too soon, you might miss out on the breakthrough that's just around the corner. But when you trust the process, you continue moving forward even when you don't see immediate results. You keep going because you know that each step is getting you closer to your goal, even if you can't see it yet. Trusting the process means not getting discouraged by setbacks, but instead learning from them and using them as fuel to keep going. It means staying focused on the end goal and remembering that every effort you put in is bringing you closer to it. Success is rarely instant. It takes time, effort, and unwavering belief in the process. So trust the process. Believe that every step, even the difficult ones, are leading you to your ultimate goal. Now is the time. The moment you make the decision to take control of your mind and start programming yourself for success, your journey begins. It all starts with a choice. A decision to take charge of your thoughts, your actions, and your future. You have the power to shape your reality, but it starts in your mind. The mind is a powerful tool, and when you learn how to control it, you unlock limitless potential. You are not a victim of your circumstances or your past. You are the creator of your future. The first step is realizing that now is the time to take action. The longer you wait, the longer it will take to see the results you want. Success doesn't wait for the perfect moment. There's never a perfect time to begin, but the moment you make the decision to act, you begin to shift your reality. You have everything within you right now to make the change you desire. It's easy to get caught up in the idea of waiting for the right circumstances, but waiting can keep you stuck in the same place. The moment you take control of your thoughts and begin reprogramming your mind for success, things start to shift. You stop letting fear, doubt, or past failures hold you back. You realize that your potential is limitless and that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. The key to success is action. Taking action now, not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. When you begin to take purposeful, consistent action aligned with your goals, momentum starts to build. Even if it feels like small steps, they are powerful steps. Every action you take brings you closer to the life you want. Don't wait for motivation to come to you. Create it by taking the first step. Every moment you delay is another moment you are not living the life you were meant to live. Now is the time to take control of your mind, to brainwash yourself for success, and to begin the journey that will lead you to your dreams. The moment you decide to act, your future begins. So take action now and watch how your life starts to transform. Remember, the journey to success begins with a single decision. Now is the time to take control of your mind, to shape your thoughts, and to align your actions with your deepest desires. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because that moment is now. Every step you take today, no matter how small, brings you closer to the future you've always dreamed of. So take that first step, trust the process, and keep moving forward with relentless focus and belief in your potential. You have the power within you to achieve greatness. The time is now. Make it happen.